Peppermint bark is a no-bake holiday favorite and only uses 4 ingredients. Give this peppermint bark as gifts or have around the house for the holidays. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large microwave safe bowl, add 14 ounces of dark chocolate chips. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring until completely melted. Line a 9x13 cookie tray with tinfoil and pour the melted chocolate in the middle of the tray. Use an offset spatula and spread the melted chocolate into a thin rectangle. Place the tray in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes to 1 hour to harden. Add 9 regular-sized broken up candy canes to a sandwich bag and use a rolling pin or a meat mallet to break them into smaller pieces. In another large microwave safe bowl, add 16 ounces of white chocolate chips. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring until completely melted. Add 1½ teaspoons of peppermint extract and stir until it is completely mixed in. Feel free to use more or less of the peppermint extract, but I found this to be the perfect amount. Use a white chocolate that contains cocoa butter and not just palm oil, which may cause the layers of chocolate to separate. Pour the melted white chocolate over the hardened dark chocolate. Use an offset spatula and spread the white chocolate over the dark chocolate until it is completely covered. This should be somewhat of a thin layer since you will need to cut and break the chocolate apart. Quickly add the crushed up candy cane pieces to the melted white chocolate, covering it completely. You can also add holiday sprinkles or other holiday candies to make this peppermint bark more festive. Lightly push the crushed up candy cane pieces into the white chocolate to ensure it will stick once it hardens. Place the tray in the refrigerator for another hour or until it has hardened. When ready to cut, bring the chocolate back to room temperature. Use a sharp knife to cut, or you can use your hands to break apart this peppermint bark into pieces. If you love peppermint, learn how to make homemade peppermint patties in the link above or in the video description below. Store this peppermint bark for 2 weeks at room temperature or keep in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.